Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to download Reels on Instagram. If you want to download Reels on Instagram, what you have to do is first of all just open your Instagram app. Open your Instagram app. Now here you have to go to the Reels. So just click on the search button and I am going to just show you how to download the Reels. So now here you will see Reels option. Now just here all the reels is here. So now as I if you want to download this reel or any reel, so what you have to do is here you will see four options. First is like option, comment option and share option. And now here you will see three lines at the bottom. So now click on the three lines. Now what you have to do is just click on copy link. Now after clicking on copy link option, you will see that the link is copied. So link copied. So what you have to do is now go to any browsers. As I use Google Chrome, so you can go any browser which you use in your Android. So now after going into there, just search Instagram Reels, Reels download. Now you will search Instagram download. So now here you will see download Instagram Reels, view Instagram Reels online. So here you will see many websites by which you can download Instagram Reels. So open one of them. If one doesn't work, just go back and choose another one. So now I am going to first website instadp.com. Just click on it. After clicking on it, here you will see paste Instagram Reels link. Here you have to paste. Just click and hold. When you click and hold, here you will see paste option. Click on paste and click on download. Now when you click on download, you will see your reels is will be appeared here in few minutes. So you will see like this, the reels has been appeared. Now what you have to do is you can click on download. When you click on download, it will download. And if this link is not working, so what you have to do is just click on the three dot. Now after clicking on the three dot, you will see download option. Just click on download. Now you will see that this reel has been downloaded in my phone. So click on open. Now when you click on open, you will see this reel has been downloaded in my phone. So like this you can download Instagram Reels in your mobile. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.